Welcome back to the iSendShare channel. In this video, I will show you several ways to transfer files from host to virtual via Hyper-V. Way 1. Transfer file from host to virtual using Map Network Drive. First of all, create a new folder on the host and name it Share. Then, right-click on the Share folder and select Properties. Under the Sharing tab, click on Advanced Sharing. Tick the checkbox of Share this folder. Click on Permission. Then set the permission of full control for everyone. Open Hyper-V Manager. OK. On the virtual machine, right-click this PC and choose Properties. Copy the full computer name. Now go to Open File Explorer. Click Map Network Drive on the top navigation bar. OK. Paste your full computer name in the folder section. Then locate the Share folder. Finally, you can see the Share drive on this PC. Way to transfer file from host to virtual by creating a VHD. Right-click this PC and choose Manage. Click Disk Management option and choose Create VHD. Under the location, specify the virtual hard disk location on the machine and allocate memory for it. See, the VHD is made. Right-click on the VHD and choose Initialize Disk. Then right-click on the Initialize Disk and choose New Simple Volume. Follow the New Simple Volume wizard to allocate the disk. Now you can open Hyper-V and make sure the target virtual machine is turned off. Right-click on the virtual machine and choose Settings. Click on Add Controller and select Hard Drive in the right panel. Then tap on Add to add the virtual hard disk. Finally, go back to the host disk manager. Right-click the VHD and choose Detach VHD. OK, now you can restart the virtual machine. Way 3. Transfer file from host to virtual via virtual machine connection. Start the virtual machine. When a prompt appears on the screen, expand Show Options. Under Local Resources tab, click on More. Then check the drive you want to use in the remote session. Now run the virtual machine. Open this PC and expand the redirected drives and folders. You can copy any file between host and virtual as you want. That's all for the video.